A very good morning, student. I am Dhananjay Singh here. Today, our topic is intermodal and extramodal. It is a very important topic for examination point of view because CBSE many times asks the question what is the meaning of intermodal and what is the meaning of extramodal, and also ask what are the difference between intermodal and extramodal. That first, look at in my slide meaning of intermodal. Listen very carefully. The word intermodal is derived from two Latin words, intra and modal. Intra means within and modal means wall. It means that the activity which are performed within the wall or within the campus of institution. No student of other school can participate in this activity. In fact, intermodal competition is one of the best means to motivate all the students of the school for taking part in games and sports. A game for each and each for a game may be considered the motto of intermodal. Right? Look at in my slide is a very short meaning of the intermodal. The activity which are performed within the campus of institution are called intermodal. A student of other school cannot participate in this activity. Motto of the game, a game for all and each for a game. Okay, right? Next slide. Significance of intermodal tournament. The first significance is importance for physical, mental, emotional and social development of a student. Yes, definitely. Those are participated in intermodal competition physically fit, mentally sound, emotionally balanced and socially well adjustable. These four components are automatically developed to the student. Second significant, stress is laid on moral and ethical value. Yes, value of moral and ethical are also developed. Third, necessary for the development of health of children. Yes, to develop of good health of children. Fourth, manage aggression. Yes, manage and control aggression, especially in teenagers. Fifth, provide recreational. Yes, lot of recreational activity to organize the inter-house competition. Sixth, provide opportunity to a student to participate in games and sports. Seventh, help to develop leadership qualities among the student. Right? Next slide. Objective of intermodal tournament. This is the very important objective of intermodal tournament. The first objective is to provide opportunity to every student to participate in games and sports. Okay, listen. Number of opportunity to every student in games and sports is one of the major objective of the intermodal. In fact, every student is free to participate in the games and sports of his her choice. Okay. Second, to develop the leadership quality. To develop the leadership quality among students. All the students do not become leader. Intermodal activity help in developing leadership quality among those students who have some innate quality of leadership. Other students develop the quality of follower which are equally important. Okay, right? Third, to develop the feeling of cooperation. Yes, a person cannot succeed all by himself in the field of sports and games. In fact, cooperation is essential to achieve a apex position in games and sports. We cannot think about winning, especially in team games, if the players do not cooperate with each other. Intermodal activity help in developing cooperation among students, not only in the field, it also real life. Okay. Fourth, to provide recreation. Students participate in intermodal activity according to their interest. Hence, they get a lot of joy, fun and pleasure by participating in such intermodal activities and competition. Fifth, to develop the feeling of sportsmanship. Definitely, sportsmanship means to show respect and courtesy to opponent and officials. The intermodal competition encourages such quality among students who participate in such activities. Okay. 6. To provide the opportunity to learn a variety of games and skills. Okay, it means opportunity to learn a number of games, their fundamental skills, rules and regulations, and also technical and tactical knowledge in another important objective of intermodal. 7. To find out the talented sports person. Yes, it is a very easy to find out the talented sports person. Intermodal competition add to identify the talented sports person due to participate all the students in the such activities. Last 8. To provide the experience of organizing of competition. Yes, it is true. In intermodal competition, a number of committees are formed for their smooth organization, in which students are also involved directly or indirectly. So, by taking up their responsibility of students also get experience in organizing games and sports. Right? These are the objectives. Next slide. Activities for intermodal competition. Major game: volleyball, hockey, tennis, badminton, football, etc. Minor game: kho, tag game, roller skating, sack race, etc. Creative activity: painting, drawing, making modern, etc. Combating activity: boxing, judo, taekwondo, karate, etc. Right? Next, meaning of extramodal. Listen very carefully. The word extramodal is derived from two Latin words, extra and modern. Extra means outside and modern means wall. It means that activity which are performed outside the wall or a school. That is called extramodern. Okay. The activity which are performed outside the wall or the institution or the school are called extramodern. A student of two or more schools participate in this activity, also called inter-school competition. Right? Significance of extramodal tournament. The first significance is provide opportunity to a school to show their sports capability. Yes, to show your capability to every school. Second, for enhancing the standard of sports performance. Yes, through extramodal competition, the standard of sports performance can be enhanced, especially the losing individual or team can make extra effort to improve their sports performance in the next extramodal competition. Third, provide appropriate knowledge of sports technique. Yes, it provides knowledge of the new technique of sports, also known as advanced technique of various sports and games. Fourth, improve the opportunity to participate in sports. Okay. Fifth, for making and implementing the program of physical education more effectively. Right? The next slide. The very important objective of extramodal. It is very important. The first objective is to improve the standard of sports. Yes, by participating in extramodal, the student become technically and tactically efficient in respective sports. They become skillful. They develop ability to perform well in competition. In this way, extramodal improve the standard of sports. Second, to provide experience to a student. Yes, definitely, the lot of experience for the participating in extramodal activity. Third, to develop sportsmanship and fraternity. Yes, it also developed the sportsmanship and fraternity. Fourth, to broaden the base of sports. At last, fifth, to provide the knowledge of new rules and advanced technique. Yes, students come to know about new rules and regulation of the games and sports. They learn new technique as well as tactics which enable them to perform efficiently, and this help in improving their performance. Okay, these are the 5 objectives. Okay, thank you very much.